Welcome to PC Kids Tech Talk. Today I wanted to talk about a free antivirus software from AVG Technologies. It works both in Windows, Vista, and Windows XP. So if you're interested in downloading an antivirus program and you're not sure if you should get McAfee or Norton or Kaspersky or any other program that you have to pay for, you can always download this free version from AVG. Go to free.avg.com to download the free basic edition. And to tell you the truth, this basic edition is quite packed of features. So it has a few limitations, but nothing to really worry about. I mean, it's a basic edition only compared to the other ones, and you can compare it when you go to the website. Of course, there's no technical support. You can't call them. You can't install it on a server, and it's not for commercial use. It's for private personal use. Now, when you go and download it, it's about a 50 meg download. Okay, so download version 8. Right now is 48.34 megabytes, and the installation is actually pretty simple and straightforward. So you'll just download the setup.exe file and then run it, and then it will start the setup process, and it'll ask a few questions. Of course, the first ones being whether you want the express installation or the custom. So it's up to you. Again, I usually like to go through the custom installation and choose the options that I want to install. Right, so here's the standard and the custom. So I'll choose the custom and go to the next, and then answer the questions and fill out the information. Like I said, this is a free edition, so it all comes with the license number already pre-built in the download. And after you personalize it, you can choose the path where you want to install it, of course, and go through what it is that you want to install. It has a link scanner and an email scanner, so you can uncheck those if you don't want that and just get the standard antivirus and the shield protection for it. So once you're done installing it, then of course the next thing is to launch it and take a look at the options. It's running by default in the background, of course, at all times, and you can go ahead and modify things. Okay, so first thing you want to do, of course, is run an update. So as soon as you download an antivirus, any antivirus program, you want to just do the automatic update and make sure that you've got the latest antivirus signatures and that everything is the latest version. Okay, and of course you can register this, but again, remember there's no support for it, so you can't really call them up or expect any help from them. Now, once it's installed, like I said, it's running in the background. You can see it here. You can right-click on the icon for it that's on the taskbar and open up the interface or update it, and go through the three options there. And you can see everything is enabled and active and running right now. Right? You can scan your entire computer, of course, which I haven't done with this software yet. As you can see here, I just installed it 2 seconds ago. So obviously, you can go through the computer scanner and click on scan the whole computer, right? And if you don't want that, you can just scan specific folders, right? So it's got pretty intuitive and straightforward options to choose from, or you can go into tools at the top and then access the advanced settings. From the advanced settings, of course, you can tweak the way you want this application to work, right? Whether you want it to run in the background, start up, whether you want certain things to pop up and notify you or not, whether you want to schedule it to automatically run at midnight, for example, and if it does find viruses, how much of space on your system do you want to allocate to store what it finds, so that you can later check the quarantine area and delete those files, right? So you can obviously reduce the size there, and just go through these options slowly, right? And then see how you want to set up the scanning and the protection of your machine, right? So all of these options come enabled here for scanning by default, and I recommend obviously that you leave those defaults. They made sense to me, and I didn't have any issues with those, so I just left those as is. The actual application itself, when I checked the memory usage, was actually quite low, right? For a 50 meg program, it was actually only using about 15 megs of memory at the time, without actually doing a full system scan. Of course, if it's doing a full system scan and doing more work, it's going to utilize more memory. But I believe, unlike Norton or McAfee and other programs that are heavy and require more memory, this is much lightweight, so it's not going to bog down your system. So try it out if you're looking for a free antivirus program, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.